Facebook just paid me $3,000 just to post this month. And you want to learn how? Continue watching. So on my community post, I asked you guys, were you guys interested in learning how I generate additional income through social media? You guys said yes. Social media platforms that I typically use throughout the daily basis is Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest. I used to use TikTok, but I got banned. Long story. And I don't really care for Instagram. I do not care for Instagram, and I started a Lemonade. Okay, if you do not have Lemonade, get on it. It's so cute. It's like a cross between Instagram and Pinterest. Cute. The particular program that I am going to be talking about today is called Facebook Bonus. Randomly fell into Facebook Bonus. I did not know what it was. I never heard about Facebook Bonus. The only way that I was generating money through Facebook prior being on Facebook Bonus was me just selling wigs or whatever the case may be, like just selling things off of Facebook, not Facebook actually paying me. So one day, about 6 months ago, I was in my notification, and then I got a notification from Facebook asking me, do you want to be part of Facebook Bonus? I'm not knowing what it is, but it said you can make up to $30,000. And I said, I could use a $30,000. I could use a 30 ball. I could use that. I could use that. So I decided to opt in. I opted in. At the time of me getting that invite, I had about 15,000 followers already. I've had my Facebook page for about 7 years, accumulated 15,000 followers, and we're very engaged. My engagement was about 10K. That was not really good compared to what it is today. I opted in, didn't think anything of it. The first month, I just started posting like I normally would post. I posted like funny memes. I would post my wigs. I would post some DHgate content, like anything that was related to me and my other social media, because I feel like my Facebook was a hub of everything. So I was just throwing everything on my timeline. 30 days later, I ended up getting a direct deposit of $179, and I was confused as to where the $179 came from, and it said Meta. And I was just sitting there like, okay, let me do my research. So I ended up doing my research, a deep dive into the performance program, and I'm going to tell you what I found so you could make that bag too. So the first couple of months, I was generating money. It was like $179, $200. Then it dropped down to like $89, and I did not understand. So that's when I started doing the deep dive and what am I doing wrong? How can I maximize my monetizations on Facebook? Okay, so this is what I found. Post memes. It's so simple. The first month when I went super viral, it was me posting memes, and I made about $7,000. And then I ended up getting flagged for copyright. Somebody tagged my page for copyright. And when that happens, Facebook will notify you the person who did it. I contact the girl that said I copyrighted her or her image or whatever the case may be. She didn't respond, so I appealed it. Facebook granted me my access back. So once you get restricted on Facebook, they will take your monetizations away from you. They will limit it. They will limit your monetizations to where you cannot make money. I had a $7,000 balance to a $3,000 balance because I could not for almost a month post on my page and generate income. So that's the reason why it's low right now. So the key with this is if you have a personal page or a business page or a group, you want to post popular topics, okay? I mean popular topics. Yes, my niche is hair and wigs and beauty. You need to sprinkle some other popular things into it that's kind of on the borderline of your niche, or like that goes with the type of audience that you have. So for example, I will post viral hair content. Like I will see viral hair content on like TikTok or even on Facebook, and I'll repost it on my page, and I will have a cute little caption or whatever like that, and usually an already viral moment is going to continue to go viral. Like this is the easiest way I could tell you to do this, all right? Yes, you could do original content, but if it's not engaging, it's not going to be engaging, and it's just that simple. You repost, people get mad. Who cares if they get mad? Girl, you are getting into the bag. You are getting to the bag, okay? For example, I posted, I got a picture of the leprechaun. Y'all know who the leprechaun is? I got a picture of the leprechaun. The caption literally said, when my man is mumbling under his breath, and I posted it. viral. I also posted a meme picture where the little monkey is sipping a little margarita and he looking like this, and it's saying, you don't need a man, you don't need a man, well, I need my man. It goes viral because it's relatable. Like, people think it's funny, but it's also relatable. Like, yes, typically I will post like 15 times a day or more. Like, you feel me? It just depends on how I'm feeling during the day. Out of those 15 posts, maybe 3 or 4 of them will go viral if they're funny enough, if they're relatable enough. I created an ebook for my Facebook followers so they could get and they could have the blueprint into how to do this, okay? Like, I go step by step telling the girls how to run the bag up. If you want a deep, detailed blueprint, I'll have a link down below. I'm just saying is to you, do not overthink it. All of these videos that I've watched about generating income for Facebook bonus, it's just complicated. I'm gonna uncomplicate all of it, okay? Facebook bonus is about engagement. You want engagement. You need to react to everything that comes through on your notification, okay? If somebody comments, you comment back. Like everything, heart everything. Go on other people's pages and post and comment on there. It's engagement. If Facebook sees you engaging with everybody and everybody is engaging with you, your profile will get boosted, okay? And they have something that's called like a 5-time boost or whatever like that. If they see you engaging so much, they will boost the amount for monetization if you continuously keep posting. And what I want to tell everybody is that definitely need to go into your dashboard, because your dashboard will tell you everything that you need to know. They'll tell you all your weekly challenges. You need to complete all your weekly challenges. When it comes to Facebook, it tells you how many comments you need to respond to. You complete all the steps, it'll actually help boost your page, okay? And Facebook literally tells you what to do in order to get to where you want to be when it comes to generating money and getting your content pushed. At first, I was following a whole bunch of groups that were like follow for follow, let's help grow each other's pages, like the monetization groups or the support groups. And it's like, oh, we're gonna follow you, you follow me back. But what happens in reality is when you follow those people and they follow you back, they end up unfollowing you, and yeah, you lose follower accounts. So it's best to do it organically, okay? Get your followers organically when it comes to that. Do not go into those following groups because it does not work. It's not going to give you the type of engagement that you want. Now, when it comes to posting on your timeline or on your feed, if you're wondering, should I post pictures? Should I post statuses or polls? What I found for me is picture content works best. If it's memes or photos or memes with a caption or anything like that, those typically work better and generate more money for me, and it usually go viral super fast. Like, I could post today, it'll start taking traction, and then it'll be super viral by day 3. So going forward, we're not gonna complicate things. We're not gonna watch any other videos about this. If you're trying to get to the bag on Facebook, you are going to have to be accepted into the Facebook bonus program. If you're not accepted into the Facebook bonus program, get your engagement up. Try to get your engagement up. Just start posting more consistently. Facebook bonus program is about engagement. Secondly, if you are already in the bonus program, you are going to have to start posting more consistently. You are going to have to start posting more viral content. Yes, you want your personal content to be pushed, but I'm telling you right now, if you don't have the followers or already the engagement, find content that is already viral, going viral on Facebook or in any other social media. Make sure it does not have any type of watermarks. Repost it. If it's already viral, 9 times out of 10 it's gonna go viral again. Repost it. Do not trip, do not care about what other people think about you reposting content or whatever the case may be. Girl, you are getting to the bag. We don't care. I want the 30 ball. That's what I want, okay? Post memes, post nostalgia memes, okay? I went from 10K in my engagement to 25 million, and it's still climbing up. I hope that this was helpful, because I just watched a whole bunch of videos of people saying nothing, a lot of nothing, and I was just tired of it. And it was just like, okay, you're just telling me to do a whole bunch of other stuff. If you want a step-by-step guide to tell you exactly how to leverage yourself in different spots on Facebook, to teach you how to generate more money versus just this one specific way that I'm telling you to do it here, there's other ways. Definitely cop the ebook. It will shed so much light for you. And especially if you are already super active on Facebook, girl, why not get paid for it? And especially if you already got accepted into the program, why not get paid for it? Like, you already posting, get paid to post. If you enjoyed this content, make sure you give this a thumbs up and let me know down below in the comment section, because I have so many other platforms that I could talk to you guys about. Like, it's so many affiliate programs that y'all could run the bag up on, and I'm just here because I'm a girl's girl and I want you to be up just like I'm up. So let's be up together, my best friends.